Hey.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh,
hello!
Oh, hello!
Click! It's off.
Damn.
You. YouTube. Hey, how's it going?
Oh, hi.
Pretty good? Well, we got a lot of cars today, if you could...
Oh, yeah?
as you can see.
We got the
JDM nasty low fucking cars.
Dirt nasty low.
Look at this! Jesus Lord. Look at it. Somebody actually told me that he went
oh, look, it's a jockey.
He's like, yeah, he's lower than What? So I'm like, yeah, he's lower. I'm like, no. He's got negative.
Saw. Saw, man. So we're checking out his oil situation.
Yeah.
On the boosted EL.
Yeah, dude, and yeah, we're looking pretty good. No, just kidding. Yo, it's not all the way at the bottom now.
Is it pretty low or?
No. When I left, it was like within the boundaries, so we should still be good. What I'm worried about is these bolts because I didn't actually torque them. I literally just hand tightened them to the point where I couldn't tighten them anymore. So I hope they don't come off. They shouldn't. They shouldn't. But
tasty.
A wild Quinn appeared.
Oh, what's up, man?
What's good, Quinn? You know I listen to your music.
Yeah, I watch your videos.
Oh man! No, I'm actually gonna put one of your music or one of your songs in my videos. I'm not even kidding. Like right now, I'm just legit.
Yeah, man. Might have to take it down for copyright dispute.
Swag me.
Honestly, no.
No? Honestly, no. Okay.
Because if you do that, I'm.
Wow.
Oh,
Hello.
Yo, Post Malone's a fucking asshole.
Oh no!
It's a
no!
It's a wild doggo. A wild doggo appeared.
Oh man, stop
What doing, my friend?
Dude, yo.
Yo, Sashi.
Yo.
Oh, if it ran right into a fucking. CNN News.
Yo, you heard it.
Cars on the
Heard it
loose.
here first.
I mean, dogs on the loose. Fuck.
So you can make that ham curry?
Oh no.
No.
Pick the card.
What are you, fucking
my
gay?
God is
What are you,
very
fucking
good.
gay?
Spider is made
Fucking
from.
gay?
You know what I want to buy for my car? I want to buy tank and a seat belt.
Who was it? Was it you who said when he was in handcuffs, you're like, you are under arrest for minority?
Minority under arrest. Was by Takada and Tomei. Tomei.
Oh no.
Like, you know, the like those sexy girls, man.
Oh,
Christian, get a sexy girl on your car.
True, you were there.
Thumbnail.
These are all the same. I don't get it. I'm beautiful. Fucking out of here. Oh man.
Actually,
See Clementine soon.
Not here.
Hope to see Clementine soon.
I like what's in your hat.
dude, I totally thought the whole time that was a Bluetooth. I totally thought that was a Bluetooth the whole time.
Yo.
Alliance, are we the same shirt?
Y'all probably remember me from the garage video
Yes.
with redneck. What the fuck are you doing?
Are you trying to?
Yeah, I have an inverter plugged into my battery to charge my phone because I don't have a fuse to fix my 12 volt.
See, man.
Shabbat.
Saw.
Oh no.
It's the weirdo with a beardo.
Everyone loves Quinn. He enjoyed that joke. 240s? 240.
Oh, he fixed it.
Close to one of my engine mounts legit broke, like came out of the box.
Oh look, I found Mindy, the stormtrooper. Oh hi.
It's Merv. It's gonna be famous.
Oh my God.
17,000 views.
Oh no. If you haven't already, subscribe to this guy. Okay,
Vinny
Vinny the Stormtrooper. Okay, putting his links also. So yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, look at that Yaris.
Oh shit! Yaris, bro. I got GoPro.
I passed by him on Salvador.
Yo, is that a Lamborghini?
No, that's it's a Miata.
Oh, that's a sick wide body Miata.
Say GoPro, bro.
Oh yeah.
That's a Lamborghini.
That's a
100%
sick,
Lamborghini.
sick Lamborghini.
Yeah.
And then there's
right
an
there,
R8.
those are custom Miata lights.
I thought they were MR2 lights.
I guess I don't know.
We got here.
Is that a wide body
It's
Miata?
a wide. No, it's a wide body Honda Accord, bro.
Oh shit.
Yeah, bro.
Oh shit. Yo, two-step.
Again, we're live at the Julep.
Oh yeah.
You can see the Julep.
This
For
thing.
those who have never been in Montreal, this used to be the most iconical, economic.
co-host. I correct this grammar.
There we go. This used to be the place back in the 1980s, but tonight it's the place again. So
Oh,
let's
yes.
go. Let's go check
Oh,
it out.
okay.
All right. So here we got a dipped. Yeah.
We got a dipped. We have a Tony. What's up?
We're gonna save-
Shashi.
we're gonna save-
Shashi with the shisha.
We're gonna save the best for last here.
Oh,
All right,
okay.
so
Don't forget about Big Tony's Big
we're
Yukon.
gonna start
Yes.
with this
Oh.
beautiful car. It says.
I mean,
no
hello.
self-esteem.
Oh,
Hello.
oh.
It's a GMC Suzuki.
Yes.
Oh, what the fuck?
Any of
out
you,
in
any of you
1995.
want to say your Instagram names so they can follow you?
At 1010 Civic. Hit it.
Oh.
What up?
Oh yeah.
No wheels, no wheels though, no wheels.
Hit it with that.
Look at these hard park Civics right there.
Hard parking.
Why do you kill yourself?
Amir's taking over.
Just fucking end it right now.
I mean, oh shit, sorry, there's nothing to see.
Oh shit!
Pass me that
Strong
camera.
as fuck.
Here's
Yo.
Merv. This is gang.
Sir Merv.
If you follow me over here, splash! Follow me over here. All right. You'll see that we got a beautiful.
Oh, peace.
Oh no! Wait. We got it. Yeah, it's a Honda. So
That's Miatas, bro.
we got ourselves a nice car here.
Parked in proper
decent
It's
generation.
a nice Civic.
Actually,
Put the camera angle down. Look at that. Look at that shit.
It's a type
It's
R.
touching the floor. It's
Feedback.
It's touching the floor, okay? We got ourselves a nice carbon fiber wrapped. Shut your fucking dick and keep the fucking camera over here. You fucking cock. You cock.
This is gonna be a great video.
Yeah, it's gonna be a great video. Yo, we're gonna be like,
Edit the shit out.
we're gonna be like TJ fuck.
I'm Trans Am Tony.
coming at you
doing?
live.
Catch me outside. How about that?
All right, drive ranged lunatic. I can relate.
Let's go to the
VR6 right there. It's a nice, beautiful car.
Oh yeah, this is a nice VR6. Look at this. Look at this calipers. It matches the color of the car.
I'd sell my
If you're colorblind.
What about that?
Now we got ourselves a nice Volkswagen. It's pretty clean. I'll have to admit. There's no scratches, nothing on it. And we got a the 240 here.
They're half the size.
How's it going?
Going pretty decent.
Yeah.
So, dude.
Working on the car as always.
Going on YouTube. They're just
Yeah.
took over my GoPro.
I'm making your channel better.
Yeah, you guys heard it here first from Dimmy Man right there.
Where's the camera, bro? Oh, the
Oh,
Dude, you
Gang.
have no space left
I
after
know.
this.
Well, now we're gonna make humans. All these humans over here. Humans. Boosted bolt? No. Look,
I
it's
joke.
the Luigi Boosted Bolt. I don't know his Instagram name, but his name is Pim.
It's WAP.
The that's actually his name, Chris Pim. The Joey Bucci. And then there's this fucking faggot. who drives a fucking Trans Am. What a queer. Hella dirty faggot. I'm just kidding, that's my truck. Oh my god, it's the
Jason.
Jason.
Hello.
Hello. JD. Hello.
Thumbnail. Watch this. Watch this. Thumbnail.
Only put my dick out.
No, because that's fucking gay. Look at that. Look at that. Thumbnail. Look at this shit. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that.
How this guy gets an Evo now. Yo, Evo or what?
What's good, bro?
What's up, bro? Got the, my god, this guy.
Yo, one time for the gram, bro.
Yo,
Drop it.
oh, yo, ambulance. too many Volkswagens here. Look at Joey, he takes off. Joey's like, ciao. He's like, peace. Oh man. Yo, just a little bit, bro. Just a little.
Oh my god, it smells so good. It's so beautiful. Does it?
Oh yes.
Yeah? How much a wheel?
Wheels like 250-ish.
That's enough. It's a good start. It's a good start.
He is the fucking Evo. Who gives a shit right now? Like, sure. Sure.
That intake. Goddamn.
That's what I need to get. Fuck. Bro, that mass airflow. Mass airflow is the size of my ball. Jesus, yo, stick your finger in that, you're done. That's battery.
Ripperino. Ripperino.
Right there.
Yo, Nick, am I insured if I put my finger right there?
Definitely not.
Okay. Yeah, real quick, bro.
I don't think it's covered.
Yo,
You're like a salad top just.
I bought an Evo and I didn't know what that did, so I put my finger in there.
Now,
I mean, by me buying an Evo, it was my friend's Evo that I kind of.
Yeah, but either way, it's an Evo, so same shit.
I hope hope you enjoyed that. This video was completely spontaneous. Pretty much just had a crazy night, cold but crazy, with a bunch of familiar faces, some new faces, and just overall good time. So if you like this video, please comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Alright, peace guys.